Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Brevo Sendinblue SMTP settings for apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Brevo Sendinblue SMTP settings for applications, begin by logging into your Brevo Sendinblue account. Navigate to the SMTP and API section found in the left-hand menu. Click on the SMTP tab to access the SMTP settings. Next, locate your SMTP credentials, which include the server name and the port number. The SMTP server address is smtp-relay.sendinblue.com. For secure connections, use port 587 if you are employing TLS. Alternatively, use port 465 for SSL. Next, go to your application where you want to configure these SMTP settings. In the application's email settings, input the SMTP server address you just noted. Then, enter the appropriate port number based on your security preference. For authentication, use your Brevo Sendinblue account email as the username. Finally, generate an SMTP key in your Brevo Sendinblue account for enhanced security. Use this SMTP key as the password in your application settings. Save your settings and perform a test send from your application. Ensure that emails are dispatched successfully and received. Check your Brevo Sendinblue dashboard to see if your message logs are updated correctly. If any issues arise, double-check your credentials and try again. You are now ready to send emails through your application using Brevo Sendinblue SMTP settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.